Yeah, it's on.
Is this still recording?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Yippee!
Ready?
Go! This is the Adam trail cam. He's a bit of a freaking whipper, from what I've seen. He's pretty much the coolest dude, and he's got a freaking stick in his dweller. It's right up in the crack. Oh yeah. Mo. King Muggy.
I was like, oh, that'll just be in the wheel. Oh no, straight in the derailleur.
Oh.
I don't want to buy no derailleur.
Mate, then take it out.
Alright, off the top.
Oh, nice, moist. Outside line. Freaking repair. Oh, mate, just creamed my pants. Ah. Some cake there, dude. Mate, he just basically slapped his derailleur on that fucking thing. Fuck, bro, it's cruising! Mate, this tech trailer is more cruising than fucking Blue Cruiser. Holy, he's steezy. Ah! Ah. No. Ooh. Yeah, cheers. What the fuck is that? Just old chunk. Come on. Oh, what a nice man stopping for me. Gentlemen. Oh, he's freaking still my trick. That's not too. Oh. Oh. I think I might have bottomed out in that one. Oh, there's like a lovely trail to the fuck was that going around that bit? Inside lane! Ah!
Pretty nice.
Was that recording?
Yeah, you didn't catch any of that.
I did.